Hi brother, I hope you're doing well. I am here with a new video. Finally, we have find the unlimited tokens free Claude Opus 4.8. Now you will use the Claude Opus 4.8 totally free, and also you will upload your file or project and make changes according to your demand, according to your project's requirement. It will give you other models also free, but we will focus on the Claude Opus 4.8, which is the largest and the most efficient model. So we can go to the name ClickUp. ClickUp is the management tool platform, and it uses the AI in the many areas like managerial level, or the messaging, or the task management level. So you can sign up. Click to the sign up and then add your email and sign up. After that you will see the onboarding screen, and onboarding screen you can select all the stuff accordingly, and I will choose the Google. After login you will see the onboarding screen. It's up to you what would you like to use the ClickUp for. It's a work or the person. Yes, it's a work or the IT. And how did you hear about from Facebook, Instagram, or yes, you will know from the YouTube, because of I am teaching you. So skip this step, and which tool do you use any of these tools? Yes, I have used many tools like Slack, Zoom, and then so on. You can select it, and after that, which feature are you interested in trying? Yes, I am interested in the AI, and you can just search your workspace name, and then it will be finished creating, and then personalizing, adding, finish. Yes, almost there. Finally it's set it up all the stuff, and here is the managerial tool. You can manage your things like manage your projects or task from this ClickUp platform. Here are the 1, 2, 3, and then task. You can create the team and create the project, add persons. The persons will see the task and update accordingly, like to-do list, or in progress task, or completed task. Everything will be managed automatically, and the message and every update will be in this platform. So it's highly recommended in the production level, and in all the large scale companies. So click here. Here is the AI option, and you will see that your company's brain. Connect your tool brain to handles meeting, emails, and context for you. Everything will be handled. Like click to the personalize, and here what your role is: engineering, product, marketing. Yes, my role is marketing, for example. And then you can select the Google Calendar and set the things, Gmail, and it will automate your mailing and Google Calendar and every stuff. So skip here, and from the ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, import your memory. Mean you can import your data and read the data to these AIs, and they will handle your stuff. Now here is finally the input here, where you will see the multiple models like Brain 2 Max, and then ChatGPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.8. Here is the complete focused model where we will use this model here, and then 3.1 Pro Gemini, and all of other models are here. We can select the Claude Opus 4.8. Here is the model, and now color combination and theme is also changed. And the main thing is you can click here and upload your file, ask any question, or create the project. And you can see here it's the agents. Yes, it's a super agents. You can run your project. The parallel agents will work on your task. So click here and then say hi. It will give you the result, and you can manage your everything from this model or other models as well. So finally we have found the unlimited tokens platform where you will choose the 4.8. That's all from my side. We will come back with another project, another AI platform and another exciting things. You can stay with us and like, subscribe, and share our videos. We will come back soon. Take care. Bye bye.